Hello, it's Nick, product maker here in Komondor. And in this video, I want to show you page speed checker can help to save your time and stay on top. Page speed checker automatically runs bulk checks of the loading speed of landing pages. We know that slow loading of the page can make you lose a visitor, and you must admit that if your ads use even 20 pages, not to mention 2000 pages, it's simply unrealistic to check them manually. In Checker, you add URLs, set frequency and speed limit. If the page speed drops or page stops responding, Komondor will send you a notification. Let's see how to use it. First of all, you need to add an API key, and you can see instruction here on how to do it by this link. We already have it, and so let's move to the next step. Next step, we need to click on create a report, name it if we need to name this report. Then we need to find right project if we need it, and choose settings. We need to set limits of desktop and mobile versions, and add frequency of updates. I will set up 1 time per week. Next, you need to choose where you want to get notifications via Slack or Telegram, and automatically page speed checker will send your notifications to your email. Okay. You have 2 ways of adding pages for checks. You can add your sitemap or list of URLs. Let's say we want to use a list of URLs. To start your first check, click on refresh all. Next checks will go according to your schedule. Komondor is constantly being improved and updates with new tools. Turn on the newsletter in your profile or subscribe to us on Facebook, so you don't miss anything interesting.